Hi everyone, I want to create this video without any editing because I just want to pass one very important message. Please, please don't quit your job without any backup. Please don't quit your job without any other job offer in hand or without having any other source of income. I keep speaking to a lot of people, and I have seen this trend that a lot of people quit their job because of just one bad day, which means they had a very difficult conversation with their boss or with their client and they got frustrated and then they just take that tough decision to quit. Please don't do that. It is my responsibility because on social media I have a decent presence, and a lot of people think that I make a lot of money through YouTube or through any other social media channels, because a lot of people paint that picture and they kind of make it look easy or simple. The truth is, it is not easy, it is not simple. Okay, it is more than 120 days that I have quit my job, and I did it with a lot of planning. I was on a break or a sabbatical for 1 year. Even before that, I did a lot of learning with respect to how social media works and how I can create multiple sources of income. So it is not just that one day I woke up and I quit my job. So please don't take that as an inspiration. It is a slow and a long process. So if you are having a difficult boss, if you are not liking the work you are doing, or whatever is the reason, please plan. Okay, plan some side income, plan to get another job offer. Don't make any excuses that you don't have time to give interviews, you don't have time to study. If you really want to get another job, you can do it by just putting the right focus and the extra hours. It is not impossible, but please don't land in a situation where you are jobless, where you quit just because of some frustrated discussion, and then you are going to face a lot of difficulty to find another offer because of the demand and supply, because of the market situation. Depending on your skill set, somebody may get an offer very soon, somebody may get an offer after 3 months or 6 months. So it is not the same for everyone. And a lot of people spread these emotions that, what, I went and spoke to my boss and I gave him back and I just put my papers and quit, and now I am doing very well. So you have to understand the backstory, you have to understand why it worked for that person, why he was able to do that, because you have to really take care of your finances, and there is a lot of planning that needs to go behind that. You cannot just one day wake up and quit your job. Having a job, having a stable job, having a good, decent paying job is actually a very great thing. If you are actually facing problems in that job, then you need to find out why you are facing problem. Is it a people problem? Is it a problem with yourself, or is it a problem with somebody else? Is it a problem with your skill set, expertise, or is it just unrealistic expectation that you are not able to deal with? So get into the root cause of the problem and then think about how you can solve it. A lot of people are not even thinking about the root cause of the problem. They are not able to pinpoint the problem. They are not creating any plan. They are not taking any action. And that eventually results into a moment where they just hit that resign button and then land into a bigger trouble. So having a bad job versus being jobless is a bigger trouble, trust me, because your finances will start to deplete. Okay, you will have rent to pay, you will have EMIs, you will have SIPs. I don't know what all commitments you would have. You will have fees to pay, you will have to take care of day to day transactions. And once you stop that salary, okay, then you will realize the importance of that salary. Please don't do any such stupid thing on impulse. I'm telling you again and again. Think about how to quit a bad job, plan it well, give interviews, and then once you get an offer, then you can quit. Okay. Or if you are somebody who's going to take a calculated risk, then that's okay as well. But take an informed decision. Okay. Don't just quit on impulse. Somebody might be watching this video and thinking, okay, who does that, who quits on impulse? But believe me, there are people who do that, and this video is actually for them. I hope you found this useful. Let me know what you think about it in comments. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like button and share it in your WhatsApp groups. I'll see you on another video soon. Take care and bye for now.